Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I will show you how to filter rows based on a list in Excel. Here we have an order table, and on the right we have a customer list. Our goal is to return or find all orders placed by these customers. The first method is to use Advanced Filter. Before using this method, make sure the criteria header matches the source table header exactly. Then, go to the Data tab. Click Advanced. Choose Filter the List, in place. For the list range, select the entire table you want to filter, including the header row. For criteria range, select the list you want to match, including its header. Click OK. Excel will only show the rows that match the list. Click a blank cell where you want to show the result, such as J2. Enter this formula. Press Enter. Excel will return all rows from the order table where the customer ID appears in the customer list. And because this is a dynamic formula, when you change the customer list, the filtered result updates automatically. If the date column shows as numbers in the formula result, select the date column in the result area. Open the number format drop-down list. Choose short date. Now the numbers will be displayed as dates. If you do not want to hide any rows, but only want to quickly mark the customer IDs that match the customer list, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, go to the Kutools tab. Click Select. Choose Select Same and Different Cells. In Find Values In, select the customer ID column in the main table, such as B1 through B31. In According To, select the customer list, such as H1 through H6. Check My Data has headers if your selected ranges include headers. Under Find, choose Same Values. Under Processing of Results, check Fill Back Color and choose a highlight color. Click OK. Kutools will find all customer IDs that appear in the customer list and highlight them in the table. This makes it easy to see which orders match the list without hiding any rows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.